Is Arm & Hammer Simply Saline safe? Plus, Simply Saline is always safe to pair with your cold or allergy medicine because it's drug-free, preservative-free, steroid-free, and non-addictive. In fact, it's made from 3 simple ingredients: water, salt, and Arm & Hammer baking soda. Product details. The best way to clear congestion. Flush it out with Arm & Hammer Simply Saline Nasal Mist. Simply Saline nasal mists are an integral part of your daily routine to help moisturize nasal passages and to instantly clear nasal congestion so you can breathe easy. Drug-free and safe to use every day. Use alone or with oral cold or allergy medicine. Helps dry mucus. Drug-free and preservative-free. Clears nasal congestion and moisturizes nasal passages. Safe to use every day, as often as needed. Use alone or with oral cold or allergy medicine. Directions. Instructions. Before first use, expel a short stream of mist. Insert tip of nozzle into one nostril and press down on the textured area at the base of the nozzle so that a gentle mist coats nasal passages. Blow your nose very gently to clear the mucus out. Repeat for the other nostril. To flush and irrigate, tilt head to the side over sink. Insert tip of nozzle into the top nostril, depressing on textured area at base of nozzle so that a gentle mist fills sinus passages and flows out nostrils. Repeat in other nostril.